Fact: only 8% of internet marketers succeed with their online businesses. Why do a few people succeed when many fail? What do they know that others don't? What are the secrets that separate the internet marketing millionaires from others who spend thousands of dollars but are not able to recover their investments? Now, internet marketing doesn't have to be a big gamble. You can succeed online, and we can show you how. Presenting the iBusiness Incubator, the fast track to boosting your online income immediately and enjoying perpetual success. The iBusiness Incubator is a comprehensive course prepared by Armand Morin, one of the most successful online businessmen in the age of the internet. A 15-year-old veteran in the field of internet marketing, Armand Morin is the most respected name in the industry. His online undertakings have generated more than $45 million since 1996. If anyone knows anything about internet marketing success, it's Armand Morin. And now he's going to show you what you need to know to make it big online. With the iBusiness Incubator is a live workshop filmed behind closed doors. Presented via a series of videos, Armand Morin reveals the secrets that will guarantee your online success. Inside the iBusiness Incubator, you will learn the proprietary Google secret system that will get your website to the very first page of major search engines at the surest and soonest time possible, how to achieve return of investment in just a few weeks, the 3 vital components that will comprise a consistently profitable internet business, how to sell other people's products and earn more than they ever will, how to generate money even when the market takes a hit, a super secret set of strategies that only the gurus know about until now, and so much more. The iBusiness Incubator contains no hypothetical fluff. It is a boot camp that presents an exact blueprint to success via easy-to-follow steps that anyone can implement. Whether you're a newbie or a veteran in internet marketing, Armand Morin can transform you into the successful online businessman that you're destined to be, and it all starts with the iBusiness Incubator. Visit us today for more details. www.the-ibusiness.co.uk